Hello, potential keepers. I'm Wendy Patterson,
And I'm Bob Patterson.
and we are here to encourage you to sign up and come be with us for our Keeping the Love You Find workshop, which is a workshop designed for individuals to help you as an individual see yourself in relationship in a different way and to unpack you with some guidance and help and community and fun.
Okay, so on June 28th, 29th, and 30th, we will present the Keeping the Love You Find workshop. This will be the last one for the year, so we really want to encourage you to sign up for this one. The goals of this workshop are to increase our relationship competency and awareness, to learn new skills that we can use and insights into ourselves. And as we tend to say around here, be the best version of ourselves in relationship. This offering will be online, so it doesn't get easier than this. And you don't have to be in a relationship to gain greatly from this offering. So please check this out online at imagogeorgia.com for the details and make an investment in yourselves.
What you can expect is to gather in community 2 hours on Friday night. You don't have to share anything you don't want to share with all of us, but being connected to other people while we're doing this, we know for sure is a big gain. We also meet then Saturday and Sunday, and you'll have homework, but it won't be painful. It'll be interesting.
We won't hurt.
Part of what we think we offer is because we're bringing male perspectives and female perspectives. We think we can help you get a more well-rounded sense of how you are in the world and make sure that your intentions in the world match your impact. Come join us.
We hope you will.